Going on, everyone? You got a 2023 Chevy Trailblazer. Today we're going to replace the remote batteries. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. To do that, right here on the left side of the remote, there's a silver button right here that we're going to push. Then we can pull out the emergency key. Now, once you get it taken out, we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to split the remote open, okay? Now, you can see how it has these little points right here on the bottom of the remote. I'm going to use these points in the screwdriver flat like this to crack open the remote, okay? So it's like a prying motion like this. I'm not jabbing it in here and doing all this. I'm using it kind of like this, okay? And once you get it open, you see the batteries on the back side of the remote, okay? Then we use a small screwdriver, pry this guy right out, okay? Get a new battery, and I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery size is a CR2032. Down in the description box, I will have a link to Amazon. Take it to get some batteries. You need some batteries, but notice how it has a positive sign here. It's gonna be facing down in the holder, okay? And it just snaps back in, okay? So all the words are facing down. You just get the other half of the remote, and we just snap this guy back together like that, okay? Then we're pretty much done. Put the emergency key back in. We're done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. See you guys in the next video.